Welcome everybody to YouTube!
Hello Krawler Ready Nation. My name is Nick Osler and today we get to meet someone else. Our guest today is the other owner of Krawler Ready, Chris. Today we will be learning about his 2007 Jeep JK. This Jeep, if you follow Krawler Ready, you should be familiar with. And we were excited to have it on here to talk about some of the upgrades and really let you get familiar with what we have done to it. Here's Chris, and he's here to tell us about his JK.
Well, let's work our way from the back going forwards. In the back I have a Poison Spider bumper. I've got the TerraFlex tire hinge carrier. I've got 40-inch tires. They're Furry Off-road Country Hunter MTs. I've got 17-inch Method Racing wheels. We've done a 1-ton swap on here, so it has a Dana 60 on the front and a corporate Bolt 14 on the rear with Yukon gears, 538s, and ARB lockers front and rear with running Tom Woods drive shafts. So moving to the front, I've got Rockslide Engineering front bumper, the Bad Lads winch. I've done the Artec high steer kit with the hydro assisted steering, so it's a full hydro assist HD steering box as well, all from PSC. We've done the King shock feed bumps. The suspension kit contains of 3.5 inches, which is a variation of core 4x4 control arms, rock crawler coil springs, and then I run Falcon shocks.
Now I've seen this Jeep in action. I know all the parts that you've listed work well with each other. And I know there's a lot of good experiences you've had in this Jeep. Where's one of the favorite trails you've taken it on?
Yeah, so this last October was my first time to go to Trail Hero, and the first trail that we signed up for to run was Sliplock Gulch. It's rated a 7 down there in Sand Hollow in Hurricane, Utah. And it's just non-stop obstacle after obstacle, great waterfalls, great climbs.
Obviously this is a purpose-built rig. What is the main usage that you see for this?
Yeah, so I originally built this to be a little bit more overlanding style, but I've kind of since then switched gears a little bit once I did the 1-ton swaps and stuff, and I've built it for rock crawling. So my goal is to get it out into the rocks, and that's where I want to go. It's in the rock crawling section of Moab and Sand Hollow, wherever we go.
Awesome, thank you. Thanks so much. Thanks for showing us your Jeep and letting us know a little bit what you've done to it. And if you'd like to see this Jeep in action on Sliplock Gulch, we'll have a link right up here where you can watch the video. Please tell us what your favorite part was in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and check out crawlerradio.com for all of your merch.
Thanks for watching Krawler Ready.
Quiet on the set! Quiet on the set!